Hello and welcome to my channel once again, The Phenomenal English. And this is Suman, your communicative English and accent trainer. And guess what? Today I'm here at a beachside and I'm just roaming out here and there. And while roaming here and there at the beachside, the lesson that pops out of my mind today is on travel vocabulary. As you can see, it's really chaotic over here. Lots of sounds, lots of noises, right? I hope you can hardly hear my voice. So let's bring a magic, right? Let me take all this noise out of this place, right? Let me reduce the noise for once and for all. Now that I've discarded all the noises out here, let's get straight into our lessons today. That is on travel, on vacation, vocabulary and phrases. Since I'm at the beachside today, let's kick off our lesson with some beach vocabulary and phrases. Very word beach means the sandy shore near a water body, especially of an ocean or sea. Now you often hear a popular phrase that people use, let's hit the beach. To hit the beach actually means to go to the beach in a casual way. There is another popular phrase that is to catch some rays or to get tan that idiomatically means to have a sunbath. When you are usually at a beachside and you want to get some tan and absorb some natural vitamin D under the bright sun, you use this phrase, that is, to get tan or to catch some rays. Now some quick beach vocabulary. First of all, we have high tide. A tide is actually the rise or fall of sea or oceanic water. Now if there is a high tide, the rise of the wave is very high, and it can be really dangerous as well. Nextly, we have reap current. A current is a unidirectional wave. Now, a reap current means it's a narrow current. It can be dangerous as it drags you down to the sea. So beware of reap current when you are at beachside. When you roam aligning the beachside, the things that you generally find are jetties. Jetties are actually boulders, a large piece of rock, and that is there to prevent the sea waves to come further from a particular distance. Nextly, you can find the broad walk near a seashore. What is a broad walk? Broad walk is actually a passage where the visitor can walk along the seashore. Next one is the seashore. A seashore is the place where the sea meets the sand. While you're at beach, you can have different kind of food stuff, desserts and candies. So one of those finest things that you can have at the beach side is saltwater toffee. Now saltwater toffee is actually a chewing candy, and it is not made of oceanic or sea water. It is just made of salt and normal water. So being at the beach side, you play with the sands out there. You often make building a castle out there that is called sand castle. You make those castles out there and suddenly the wave comes and breaks them down. It's fun. At beachside, when you absorb natural vitamin D under the bright sun, you must take care of your skin because there's harmful UV ray that might damage your skin. So to protect your skin on the bright sun, the thing you need is a sunscreen lotion. A sunscreen lotion is actually a lotion that protects your skin from the bright sun. At beachside, the clothes you generally wear is a swimsuit or a bathing suit. A bathing suit is something which you can wear to take bath both under the water and under the bright sun. Since our lesson is on travel vocabulary, let me tell you there are mainly two kinds of traveling. One is fun purpose, another is work purpose. When you travel for the first reason, you simply say, I'm traveling for leisure. It means you simply travel for a vacation, and you're traveling for just to have fun and roaming places everywhere. On the other hand, when you travel for work, you simply say, I'm traveling for work, trade, business, or maybe official meeting out there, right? So you simply say, I'm traveling for work. Now, there can be another reason for your traveling. Let's say you stay away from your family and you have come here to meet your family. So you may say, I'm traveling to see my family, or I'm here to see my family. Now it's time for some of my favorite travel idioms. Firstly, to get away. when you say I need to get away or I want to get away, it means you just want to have a vacation. To get away means vacation. Nextly, to hit the road. When you start your journey, you may say, I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna hit the road tomorrow at 8. So to hit the road means to start your journey. So you can say, I want to hit the road, or I'm gonna hit the road next. This one is a funny one. It is to have an itchy feet. When you have an itchy feet, you are actually craving to go out somewhere. You're actually craving for a vacation. Do you say, I have an itchy feet? This one is a nasty one. Believe me, you should never try it unless you're in a trouble or any kind of emergency. This is to steal a ride. To steal a ride actually means to travel without ticket. You simply steal the ride, you simply go without a ticket, so it's called to steal a ride, right? So it's a nasty one. As per my personal favorite, that is to travel on shoestring. When you travel on a shoestring, it actually means you don't have a luxurious budget to afford a luxurious hotel, maybe a business class ticket, but you're still traveling. So when you don't have a luxurious budget, right, you say I'm traveling on a shoestring. Say I need to have a little R&R, you mean I need to have a little rest and relaxation. Suppose you had a hectic month out there, you need to refresh yourself going out somewhere. So you simply say I need to have a little R&R, little rest and relaxation. Let's have some advanced vocabulary relating to travel and vacation. Firstly, we have staycation. Hold on a second. Vacation we know. What is staycation? Staycation is when you just prefer a resort or stay at your home and enjoying the local sights out there. You're not roaming at random speed, but you're still enjoying having the fun out there. You're roaming places, right? So that is called staycation. Next phrase is to charter a boat. When you charter a boat, you actually reserve a plane or maybe any other vehicle or transport system. So when you charter a boat, you actually reserve a transport system. Thereafter, to be under the stars. To stay under the star means to have shelter just under the sky. You have no covering just above your head, right? You're simply under the stars. You could simply count the stars above your head, right? So under the stars is a kind of shelter that you normally have maybe in a forest area. Third is accommodation. Accommodation is the arrangement of where you stay. When you're on a vacation, the hotel, the resort you book and stay is actually your accommodation. So accommodation is the place where you stay on a vacation. Nextly, we have check-in. So when you book a hotel and enter it for the first time, you call it check-in, right? So you stay there for the first time, you call it check-in. Similarly, the other way around is check-out. When you move out of the hotel, you leave the hotel, it's called check-out. Hey guys, I'm at the end of my lesson. I hope you liked the lesson, you loved it. So don't forget to give a thumbs up to the lesson and encourage me with that. And stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to bring you lots of engaging, encouraging lessons out there. And don't forget to follow me on my channel and Instagram. And do comment in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it. And don't forget to press the bell icon.